truly think that this month's box is going to be the worst box I have ever seen. So I hope you guys are doing well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As always, in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Lush kitchen box. This one is for March, which I am so scared of. I'd say I'm excited. That would be a lie. When I saw the spoilers of this box, I just don't think it's going to be for me. However, I am so excited to unbox it anyway. I love sharing these videos with you, but this is the box I have been so incredibly nervous about. Ever since I saw the spoilers, I just knew it wasn't a bit of me. Regardless, we are going to unbox it today. We're going to go in with high hopes. This is March's kitchen box, and again, I have got the shower box. So there is a shower box, a bath box, and the XL box, which has both bath and shower. I have just got the shower one for now. I do kind of contemplate going for the big boy box, but I just don't think I need that many products every month. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Let's dive into March's box. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. I just did that without ripping it. What a dream. I am so scared to open this. You have no idea. Does it smell like garden? Does it smell like moss? Who knows? Okay, so let's... Stop. Shut up. This is so cute. Hang on. Wait, I can't get it out. Stop. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. There's a mini box inside the big box. Okay, so this is what the mini box looks like. This is so cute. I absolutely love the extra detail. So if you guys didn't know, when you normally order a kitchen box, you get this box and it's normally full of the packing peanuts and all the products, but this time we have this cute little box inside, which I'm so excited about. Okay, anyway, let's open it up and see what the products are like. I'm seeing green. I am seeing things that are green. I am so scared. Okay, let's just do this. Okay guys, so the first thing we have in the box is the Tramp body scrub, and this says an earthy It says earthy. I feel emotional. I'm not gonna like this, am I? An earthy blend of dark Sumatran patchouli oil? Not sure. Sumatran. I feel like that's a really easy word to say, but it's just Sumatran. I don't know. Anyway, patchouli oil, oak moss. See, oak moss and me, we don't mesh well. And exfoliating sea salt leaves. I read that as sea salt leaves. This is not going well. Right, let me just rewind. Start again. So it says an earthy blend of dark Sumatran patchouli oil, oak moss, and exfoliating sea salt leaves you soft and smelling like a woodland nymph. I'm a little bit concerned I'm not going to like this. This is what it looks like. So instantly is giving me, you know, green, oak mossy vibes. Am I going to like it? I'm so scared. Right, let's just smell it and then we can read through the ingredients. I'm not joking. I'm not going to like that, am I? Look at that. That screams moss. Okay. Oh, actually, it's not that bad. It is earthy, but it's almost got something else to it where it's not, it doesn't just smell like straight mossy garden. Do you know what I mean? It's got a very fresh kind of smell to it, which is quite nice. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got fine sea salt, lemon balm, white horehound infusion, patchouli oil, and oak moss absolute. Okay, do I love it? Not really. Do I hate it? Not really. I feel like I will use this and I will definitely get my use out of it, but would I repurchase? Absolutely not. Okay, let's dive into the next thing. Oh no, instantly I'm so scared. Okay, so the next thing we have is the grass body lotion. I feel like this couldn't be more opposite to something I would pick up because, as I said, I don't like the smell of grass. Like freshly cut grass, you know how people love the smell of freshly cut wet grass? Actually makes me feel like I could throw up. I hate it so much. But this is the grass body lotion and it says almond oil and fair trade cocoa butter soften and protect skin while reassuring bergamot and neroli inspire you to go out and touch grass. I definitely will not be touching any grass after using... Oh my god, I dropped it. It just doesn't want to be used. Anyway, let's go through the ingredients first this time. So we have got almond oil, cocoa butter, sandalwood oil, neroli oil, and bergamot oil. So I'm really scared this is going to smell like grass. Obviously. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This just smells like a body lotion. Like, it doesn't smell overly grassy. Like, you know how the shower gel smells very like grassy and earthy? This doesn't smell like that. It basically smells like a very generic, like a baby lotion, body lotion, like dream cream, that kind of vibe. It smells like that with a hint of grass, like a very small, subtle hint of grass. So I'm actually not mad about this one. Again, would I buy it for myself? No, but I definitely will use it. So that one I'm quite excited about. The next item we have is a bottled product. Oh, it's a medium-sized bottle, and this is English Countryside. Okay, I'm gonna hope it smells like flowers, but it's not giving flowers. Like, there is nothing about this that screams flowers, because I think it is a very dark green colour. Anyway, let's be more positive, Melody. This says refreshing geranium and precious orris, I can't say that word, orris, blooms like the village green, lush, lovely and full of flowers. Okay. It's giving flowers. Let's read the ingredients. So, oh no, fresh parsley infusion. I'm not a herb kind of gal, won't lie to you. Anyway, fresh parsley infusion, geranium oil, jasmine absolute, orris oil. We also have sandalwood oil, and I think that's basically it. Okay, let's give it a smell. Is it gonna give, oh, it's very green. Wow, look at that. Can you guys see how green it is? Very green. Okay, let's give it a smell. Oh, actually, surprisingly nice, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's very gentle. It's definitely floral, but it's not an invasive floral smell. Like, if somebody said they wanted a nice, gentle floral fragrance, I would definitely point them at this, because it's a very subtle, gentle, clean smell. With this one, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the colour is very deceiving, because when I look at the colour, I think it's gonna smell like Devil's Nightcap or something like that, where it's really mossy, really earthy, very woodsy, and that I won't like it. But this actually smells really good, very fresh, very floral, and I feel like if it was like a really beautiful, like lavender, it would be really cute. Anyway, that is the shower gel. I am actually quite excited about that one, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so the next item we have is a bar of soap. This is cute. So this is what it looks like. This is the Tiptoe Through the Tulips soap. If you guys know that song really freaks me out. Like, if you guys have ever watched Insidious, I can't. That song, absolutely not. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got sweet violet leaf infusion, rapeseed oil, coconut oil. We also have geranium oil, lavender oil, rose oil, and gardenia extract. Oh, okay. Again, this one is actually quite nice because it does focus more on that floral aspect of like the woodsy, earthy smells. So that's actually quite nice. It's a very subtle, gentle smell. Like, it's not overly invasive, and it does scream spring, which I like. Yeah, I really like that one actually. I think it's perfect for people who don't want anything too strong or invasive. It's a very subtle, fresh, clean smell. I feel like that is the only way I can describe this one properly. It's a very fresh smell, but you definitely have the really strong floral notes in there, but it's not strong. Does that make sense? Like, the smell itself, like the scent is strong, but the actual level of the scent, it's not very strong, so that's quite nice. Yeah, I really like that one actually. I'm quite impressed. So far, we're doing quite well. And last but definitely not least is an emoji bomb. If you guys don't know what these are, essentially you put them on the floor in the shower and the kind of aromas sort of go around you whilst you're in the shower. It's a really lovely experience. So this is what that is, and this is called Up the Wooden Hill. I'm assuming that's supposed to be a fox or a cat. I'm not really sure which, but either way, very cute. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got lavender oil, neroli oil, and chamomile blue oil. Yeah, that is a really relaxing, gentle fragrance. Very subtle. If you like things like the Oaty Creamy Dreamy or like a French Kiss, Twilight, that kind of vibe, like it's a very chamomile-y lavender smell. It's a really lovely fragrance actually. Yeah, I actually really like that one. I'm really impressed. So I feel like out of all the things, we have done really well considering I don't like earthy scents. I was really scared about this box because I just knew I wasn't gonna like anything. But actually the only thing I'm not the biggest fan of is probably the Tramp body scrub, but actually I would still use that. So yeah, I would say we're on to a winner. So that is everything for this month's kitchen unboxing. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and as always, I need to know down below your thoughts, opinions on this month's box. Did you get it? Did you skip it? I would love to know. And to be honest with you, considering I was this close to cancelling this month's box, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Like, there's nothing here that I would say I would hate. You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't necessarily go out and buy any of these products myself, but I'm actually going to use them all, and I'm really pleasantly surprised considering it was all kind of earthy, green, grassy fragrances. I'm quite pleased with that. So that is everything for today's video. As always, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do. We are getting so incredibly close to 12.2 thousand of you, which is insane, and honestly I just appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!